is observed on 1st August every year. The day aims to create awareness about lung cancer. Smoking causes lung cancer. So, don't smoke and save lungs, save life. Thank you.